our pigeons are gonna be, my next thing, our pigeons are gonna traveling somewhere.
Yeah, and what is that? A track. Hi?
It's a truck. Come and follow. Extreme distancing now!
Check it out. Check it out.
Maglo-load tayo ngayon, mga ka-extreme.
Stop making noise! Pigeon!
Asan yung pigeon mo?
Over there was no Lolo.
Training race. 350
Training
kilometers.
race.
Basketing time. 350 kilometers.
Oh my God.
Training race.
I need
For our beloved feathered warriors.
Nandoon. Hello po mga ka-extreme. Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan tayo punta, be?
Pigeon Club.
Pigeon Club, lahat kumpleto. Kasama sa Pigeon Club. No, 10-10. Anong race na 10-10?
Saan
Gaano
tayo,
kahaba na? Ilang ano na? How many kilometers race? Do you know?
350 kilometers.
Sleepy ka na.
No.
Ano?
I'm just surprised that
Surprised?
Because that's so much.
Magtagalog ka nga. Bakit ka na-surprise?
I can't do Tagalog.
Marunong ka eh.
I'm not that good at Tagalog.
Oh, si ate.
I know a little bit of Tagalog.
A little bit of Tagalog, no? Marunong ka naman, no? Ano nangyari sa kamay mo?
Sa playground ako sa playground ko.
Ano nangyari sa playground?
I was under the playground. There was a big bar, and then I tripped over it, and I went to the sick bay. I didn't want to go home, so I still went to my classmate. I go home. I mean, classroom, and I go home. And then when it was the holidays, I had to go to the doctor. Waited, doctor, waited, doctor, X-ray.
X-ray.
What else?
Waited, doctor.
Puro waited eh.
To find to see the X-ray, and then we put a cast.
Yeah. And then, babalik ka ulit sa sa Tuesday.
Yeah,
Para
I
sa
did.
cast.
And when I did that, I had to wait so much that I had to go on my mom's phone.
Haba, no? You keep on waiting, no?
Waiting. Just waiting.
Kamusta mo naman yung mga kaibigan natin, yung mga ka-extreme natin?
Oh. Sabihin mo. Ha?
Non-extreme. Comment below how do you feel about this video, and also subscribe, like, click the bell for notifications, and also just if you need a comment, then do that. All of those. Okay? Yay!
Ang bilis ng mata mo, ha? Yan, maglo-load po tayo. Kompleto. Kompleto maglo-load. Come on, come. Mama. Ayan po. Oh, si lolo mo. Si lolo mo, kasama na ng mga pigeon. Ayan, andyan yung pigeon. Ayan po, maglo-load tayo ngayong gabi. Wait, maglo-load tayo. Ay, mag-ano muna tayo, Tenten, no?
Oh, mga ka-extreme. Extreme.
Extreme.
Gilid.
Turn around and pull it through the other way. Yeah, the other way. There you go. Sabi meron.
Tinuruan pa mga extreme. Nangingialam.
Okay. I'll see you there. Ayan na. Bye-bye. I'll see you there. Yan. Sige na, punta tayo sa club. Yan, maglo-load po tayo. Pero register muna tayo.
Register.
Let's go!
Yan. Tintin.
Ay, mga ka-extreme. Ito po, may casino dito sa aming ko.
Nag-load na sila. Wait. Nakapag-load na kayo?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Oh no, nothing.
The champion in the future. We don't know.
No, we don't know yet. We don't know yet. You can put it there if you like.
Some baby. Who are you?
Who are you? You don't know.
Remember that one?
Hey. My bet is 7065.
Oh yeah. Me too. This one already flew in Bercargill.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Second day. Arrived second day. Yeah.
Tintin.
Our pigeons are gonna be my next dream. Our pigeons are gonna traveling somewhere.
Yeah, and what is that? A track. Hi?
It's a truck. Come and follow me. So this is where we race over here. Don't mind.
Just stay here. There.
And then come outside.
Oh, be careful.
And there is some people
Yeah? What are those? What are those, Kristen?
Those pigeons that are taken from pigeon and it fits perfectly in the truck.
Louder? I can't hear you.
It is these cages are for pigeons and they can perfectly fit in the truck.
Come.
Come look for your.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Go down here. You'll see those. My dad is kind of helping me. First, he's putting the things because he's very strong.
Very strong. Yeah?
Look at him. He's the one with the bold hair.
Bold hair. Is your dad bold? Huh?
And they're putting it inside a ladder or a bench that you currently inside. Ta-da!
What are those?
You pushed me!
What's that name? Can you read that? Can you read what's in there?
North Harbor, Henderson, and SA, that means South America.
South Auckland. SA
Okay.
South Auckland.
South Auckland, South Auckland.